Hi. Back outside. Today's not as cold, but it's like good weather for you to be outside. I'm in our tent. I definitely didn't build this right. It's like really small. But Didi's not here and I don't know what I did wrong, so I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to paint again. She's here with me. She's outside, what is that called? Archery? Throwing arrows? Shooting arrows. Yeah, so she's out here. I have my protein muffin, so I'm gonna be here eating my snack and painting. The tent, it's like touching me, like all around. Like it's usually wide enough for 2 people, but I did this really wrong. But oh well, at least I'm protected from mosquitoes. So yeah. Oh, I didn't even mention Kiki braided my hair. Wow, must be looking at me like, what in the world? Yeah, Kiki braided my hair yesterday. I love it because it's out of my face, and it feels great, and it's done. So I might have her do this again. Remember when we went to, what is this place called? Where do we get this? What is this? Bass Pro shopping on Thanksgiving. This is what we got from the gift cards. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. I'm gonna thrive in this tent this summer because this is the only way I can be outside. If I'm protected from the grass and mosquitoes. Yet I can view everything, so I'm excited to use this summer. Do you like my braids? Am I cute? She did boho braids, I think. That's how far I've gotten. It doesn't look like much, but it's a lot. So that's as far as I got. I think we're gonna wrap up here soon though. Yeah, I'm gonna lie down for a little bit. Hello.
Hi.
I just wanted to show my hair. I still have the braids that Kiki did, and then I just put into a bun. I put my little claw clip. Want to know what I look like? Give me a few seconds to guess what I look like. This is what I look like. Right here. That's exactly what I look like. But yeah. Also, I wore the pink shirt. No, get off me. Because you're trying to fart on me. Stop. Get off me for real. Get off. You are. Stop. Stop. Get off. You're gonna try to fart, aren't you?
No.
Mm-hmm. You spit on my face.
I also said huggy wuggy.
Okay.
I said huggy wuggy.
Okay, that's enough hugs. All right.
That's not gonna fight on you. I'm not hugging.
He is gonna fart on me. I know it.
Did you saw that? I just cracked myself.
Get off me.
No.
Yeah. Ew. Get up. I'm trying to do school.
Can I get one, please? No. Fine.
You have everything on you.
Squishy. Oh, can I try? Just squish it.
Ali.
Ali, when we start, put you on her tongue.
It's your favorite duo again. Where are we?
To the pizza shop.
It's his favorite place, literally. What would I like to say?
Would you like some chicken?
People were at Pizza Hut. We're gonna order some pizza.
Why do you always do so weird? Same outfit, different day. Same clip, different day. Anyways, it's been a long day. About to wash my hair and get it done because I really need it. I need it. This is kind of cute. Also, happy International Pink Day. I wore this and I didn't even know that it was International Pink Day. But yeah, happy International Pink Day from your best pinky girly. Anyways, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna do my hair. I used to only wash my hair on Saturdays, but I found that if I do it on Fridays, then it's like one less thing to do on Saturdays, so I kind of like it to wash it on Fridays. Also, if you hear my family screaming, we just got nerfed. They're out there shooting each other. They got belts. They got belts. Sup, people? It's Saturday. Kind of bright, kind of gloomy, kind of early. It's 10 a.m. It's Saturday and it's tax day, so I'm here again. I washed my hair last night, but it was so bad that I need to wash it again today just to make sure it's like extremely clean. So we just have these fun little braids, curly hair. That was my first class. Same angle, but like 5 hours later. All right, so I just finished another tax day. It's 2 something. Usually we're like done, like it'll be like 11 a.m. So we like start at 9 and then by like 11, 11:30, even 12, then there's nobody. But today, it's literally 2 p.m. and somebody just walked in. Like, it was so busy today. I look so tan. I look brown. I look burnt. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. But yeah, today was a really, really busy day, but we made it through. I'm glad I came because there was nobody else. There was only, like, we have supervisors. There was only me and then the supervisors, when there's usually like 5 volunteers and then supervisors, but there was just me today. So we did it. It was good. I learned a lot today. I really enjoyed it today. All right, so now I'm gonna head home and wash my hair again and get it done. Okay, finally we have our hair done with some hair content because I have not posted hair content in a while. So I just blow dried my hair and now I'm going to use this. Okay, so I have my hair like roughly in the middle. You're gonna take this, make sure it's even, and clip it on one side. So then you take a small section and you wrap it around. Take another small section and you wrap it around. Take another small section and you keep doing that until you get to the bottom. Make sure it's smooth. Sometimes I have to like brush it. If you do it really tight, then your curls will be tighter. If you do it really loose, then your curls will come out a little looser. They sell these at Five Below. They sell them on Amazon. They sell them pretty much everywhere. But specifically, I've seen them on Amazon, Shein, and Five Below. This one's from Shein from like 2 years ago maybe, or a year ago. Okay, so when I get to the bottom, me personally, I like to leave like that little piece out. It'll kind of wrap on its own, personally, for me. So, but I leave it out so it can be just a tad looser on the end. The other side. Okay, so it's in. I really love this. This is my favorite way to curl my hair. 1, because it's heatless. 2, I love experimenting with heatless curls. 3, I haven't mastered a curling iron, but this is so much fun. Go out and get one because the results are great. And then I'll just put a bonnet over this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until the next vlog.